Hello, how's it going, guys? So today let's talk about in case you run into an issue where your fridge door has an airlock and you're not able to open it. That usually happens when you basically open the fridge door and then you close it and then you try to open it again right away. So usually they have an airlock system. It locks the door for a while. So for example, to show you, if I open this right now and I close it and I try to open it right away, it won't open very easily. It will be a little difficult. Like right now, it opened like this, and now I'm trying to pull it, but it's not happening, right? And that's usually due to an airlock system. What the mistake that people make is that they try to use their full strength to open this, and that is exactly the opposite of what you should do. You should basically just wait around like 15 to 20 seconds, and then it should automatically be loose again, and you should be able to uh, pull it out. You can really end up damaging your fridge if you just try to force it open or try to use any kind of tools or something. All you got to do is just wait a little bit of time. That's the easiest solution. Just give it some time. It needs some time to reset. You can't just uh, close it and then open it again right away. I know that a lot of people don't really care about this and they're just using their entire body strength to just pry it open somehow. But that is not good for your door. Your door can weaken over time and it can eventually even come out for this reason. So you got to be a little careful with this. And this thing applies to both the fridge and also the freezer. And this pretty much applies to all kinds of refrigerators. So yeah, be wary of this. All right. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.